In this video, I want to talk about how you can recover your eToro account. So if you don't have access to your eToro account, there are a few different ways that you can recover it. Now this depends on what kind of error you're getting. If you forgot your password, you want to click on the forgot password on the login page. If your account is locked, you want to check your email from eToro, why your account has been locked and what you need to do. If you forgot the username, you can try and log in with your email or reset your password. Otherwise, you can contact the support. If you're having issues with two-factor authentication, just check your phone or app and check if everything is there. Otherwise, you can contact the support. If your account is closed, you will not be able to reopen it. So in this case, you need to create a new one. And if for some reason you still cannot log in, what I suggest you do is you just contact their support. So come here, help and resources, and select the live support, and they will be able to help you. So these are the ways that you can recover your eToro account. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.